If you want to embed a private or unlisted video in your Schoology page, you'll need to go through a few extra steps. So first, go to YouTube and go to your Video Manager account, choose your videos. When you're in there, find the video that you'd like to embed. Here it's test recording for Embed. I'll click the drop down by Edit, click Info and Settings, so I can make sure that my video is set to either private or unlisted depending on what I want. So now if I scroll down, I see it's by default public. I would change this to unlisted or private. If it's unlisted, I can get a link that I can share with people. If it's private, I need to invite them individually by email. So in this case, I just want unlisted. Nobody can search for it. Nobody can find it on their own unless they have the link that I provide them. I'll make it unlisted and click Save Changes. Once I've done that, then I can come up to my little arrow here on my video, the Share button, and copy this link. Once I have my YouTube link, I'll go back to Schoology. I'll click Add Materials, and I'll choose Add File or Link. In this case, we want a link because it's a link to our YouTube video. And then I would paste the URL at the top, Command V on my Mac, Control V on a PC, and then I would type the name of the link. And you could make this more specific to whatever it is that you're linking to. Now I'd like to click this button so it displays in a new window. That makes a new tab when the person clicks on the link. I think that's easier to navigate. I'll click Add, and then my link has been created. Now if I scroll down, I will see that link on my page. It's at the bottom here. When I click on it, that will then open a new tab in my browser and take me to that unlisted YouTube video. And then only the people with my link can see this. Now I do have a second option. If I wanted to embed this on my page, instead of having it just be a link, once I get to my video, I can come down here to Share, click Share, and instead of the Share here, I want Embed. When I click on Embed, I have this code, so I'll click Command C on a Mac to copy that, or Control C on a PC. I'll go back to Schoology, and now I'll click Add Materials again, and instead of a file or link, I'm going to create a page. So again, this is just another option. And I'll just call this page with YouTube Embed so we remember which one it is. You can call that whatever you want. You could put directions or text up here. Put your cursor where you want to embed the video. Click the Insert Content button. And then this is a little complicated, but you'll click Image Media, From the Web, Media, and then we'll paste that code in here. Command V on the Mac, Control V on the PC. I'll click Insert Media. There's my video. If I click my Create button, now my page will be created with the media embedded on it. So if I scroll down here, I will be able to see that. Here's my page I've created. Click on the page to open it. And then inside of that page, I have my embedded video. And it's only available here because it's unlisted. It is still not in YouTube in general. So there's a couple options for embedding an unlisted or private video.